Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina. So today I am going to be doing a perm rod set for you guys. This hair right here needs to be washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried before we even get started. So I'll be right back.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
All right, so I did the back of my head off camera because it was very difficult for me to get the technique down in the back of my head. So after trial and error and multiple times of doing it correctly, I think I am now comfortable doing it on the camera for you guys. So like I said, the back is all done. Before I go in, let me tell you what I am going to be using. So I am using the As I Am double butter cream. So let's just get on with it. I am using, as you can see, the orange. I'm using the orange rods. All right, so, and I also have my detangling brush here. I also have my rat tail comb here, and I have a couple of tools just to keep the hair out of my way. All right, let me get some water first and pray for me, y'all. Just pray, just pray. And we're gonna start on this side. See, my hair is stretched out already. Nice and blow dried. So I'm gonna show you on this side here. I mean, it's pretty easy once you have the flow down. So hopefully I can do this like I did this really well in the bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this now. All right, so let's just go ahead. I'm sectioning this off. All right, so I did like this double butter cream because it is not reverting my hair back quickly, which is good because you don't want your hair to revert back quicker than you can get the rollers in your head, okay? So all I'm gonna do is moisturize my hair with this double butter by As I Am. You definitely wanna make sure you are getting your ends. Like so. All right, and then I take my detangling brush and I just make sure I detangle this section. So you want to take it from the base of the rod. I'm going to start the hair from this part of the rod, okay, from the base, and then I'm going to rod my hair going upward, so it will be a spiral motion when I take it out. All right, so here we go. That is the concept. So we're gonna go ahead and take it to the end here. That's what I'm doing. And you wanna make sure your hair is wrapped around tightly and smooth, like that. And then I'm rolling up, rolling up. Oh, see, my hair is kind of frizzy right here, so I'm gonna separate that because that is not gonna work. So I took out that part. And then you want to hold it here and twirl, twirl, twirl until it's tight. Now you don't want to get it too tight where you are breaking your hair off, but you definitely want to get it tight to the point where your roots are going to be smooth. All right, so I got that there. Feels good. And okay, that feels very good and secure like that. And then I'm going to take another rod, smaller rod, a peach rod. And I'm not going to do any twisting with this one. I'm just going to spiral it all the way up like that. Hopefully it stays tight. And it did, just like that. And then you want to take it to the end. Make sure, I'm gonna bring you guys closer in just a minute. Just get this going. Then twist, 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 just like that. And I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer. Put your buttercream on there. Make sure you are getting the ends. I like to get the roots too, because you don't want dry roots. Comb through, and brush through, detangle, just to make sure that that last detangling process is there. Got that there. You want to wrap that around the base of the roller, right? And then you're gonna roll up, up. And then when you get a good secure, you're gonna keep it tension tight, okay? And then you're gonna twirl, 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 and then you're gonna secure, just like that. And if you can, you wanna make sure you get it as tight as you can without ripping your hair out. Okay, so I set up under my hooded dryer for about an hour. I'm really hoping that my hair is dry. It should be dry because my hair was already blow dried, so it should be completely dry. So I'm gonna go ahead, start from the back. One little curl. All right. Ooh, that looks good. I'm just happy that these curls are so cute. I'm really hoping I get a really good rod set. And I think I am. All right, so I went and got me some oil, and I'm gonna be using this OGX coconut oil weightless hydration oil mist. I like this oil because it's not too heavy for my hair, and my hair seems to like it. So I'm going to spray a little in my hand, just a little bit, because I don't want it to be really oily. And let me bring my mirror a little closer to me so I can see what I'm doing here. All right, so I'm going to start in the back, because people say start in the back and then just start separating, right? I'm gonna separate maybe 3 times in each curl. Oh, but you know what? I'm supposed to be twirling it too. Okay. Twirl. Twirl. Start here And they say if you want your curls to last a long time, don't separate them too much. Separate them, but you know, you want it to be full, but all right, I'm just gonna all right, I'm gonna, Jesus, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this halfway and then I'm coming right back. So I'm gonna try to do the rest of this on camera. I have my pick here. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, are you serious? I just don't know, y'all. I just don't know. With my hair being not as, you know, not as dense, it's just, I feel like a learning curve for me with this. I think it's gonna have to be one of those. It's kind of cute. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, you know what, hold on. I'm gonna go fix this and I'm gonna be right back. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but all right, so I'm back and I had to do some fluffing. I was gonna put a bang, but the bang wasn't working, so I went on ahead and did a side part. I hope you guys like it. There are some things that I could have done different with this, but it is a learning curve. My very first time doing this rod set, I'm gonna say, I think I did pretty good. Let me show you the back. I didn't want to take too many, I didn't want to separate it too much because I do want my hair to last. But y'all, I think I did good. Let me know what you think in the comment section if you like this rod set. If you want to see more videos like this from me, please give me a thumbs up so I'll know that you want to see more styles out of me, especially with like flexi rod sets or perm rod sets. I'm going to get a little bit more adventurous, especially since my hair is getting fuller. Eventually I'm probably going to have to cut it into an actual style because right now it's just kind of like nothing. But so far I'm liking this hairstyle right here. Make sure you check the description box for all of the products that I use to get this hairstyle. I am definitely going to be doing more things, more content on my channel. Please make sure that you are staying to the end of each video. It really helps me out. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel and thumbs up this video. Thank you so much. And as always, remember to stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until next time, I see you guys later. Bye.
Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to